Dogecoin and Picoin have both been showing signs of movement lately, but in very different ways. With May just kicking off, traders are keeping a close watch to see which one breaks out first and which one might offer the better setup for the weeks ahead. Dogecoin, Doge. Let's start with Dogecoin. After sliding through much of early April, it started to carve out a recovery. Between April 10th and April 23rd, Doge formed a rounded bottom, a pattern that often points to a shift in momentum. It broke above 0.165 shortly after, and since then, the price has pushed up towards 0.187. That's the level it's struggling with right now. It's been tested a few times, but Doge hasn't been able to break through convincingly yet. If it does push past 0.187, there's room to run. 0.1193 and $0.200 are the next likely targets. But if buyers don't step in and it loses 0.175, there's a chance it could drift back towards 0.165 or even lower. So far, the price action looks steady, nothing explosive, but the structure suggests there's still strength if support holds. Pi Network, PI. Now on to Picoin, which has been a bit more aggressive. After hitting a local top near 0.80 in mid-April, it sold off sharply and entered a clear downtrend. That trend came with a descending channel, a bearish pattern, but interestingly, Pi just broke out of that setup. Not only that, it also completed an ascending triangle between $0.50 and 0.59, and it's now hovering just below $0.60. This zone matters. The $0.60 level used to be support, and now it's being tested as resistance. If Pi holds above it and pushes through 0.63 with volume, that would be a strong sign of a potential move towards $0.70 or $0.80 again. On the flip side, if the 0.55 area gives out, then 0.50 or even 0.42, 0.45 becomes the next area to watch. The main difference between the two? Dogecoin looks steadier, slower, but more predictable. Picoin, meanwhile, seems coiled up and could move faster if the breakout holds, but with that speed comes higher risk, especially if volume doesn't show up. If you're looking for a slower climb, Dogecoin is the more stable setup right now. If you're after a breakout trade with sharper potential, Picoin is the one to watch, but only if it holds above 0.60 and clears 0.63. As always, Bitcoin's movement will influence both. If BTC picks up in May, expect Pi and Doge to follow, but in their own style. One may grind up, the other might sprint.